Come on, pen. Adam Bennett here. Today we're taking on a team pizza challenge. 30 inches of pizza, about 10 pounds here at Pizza Xtreme. Today I'm going to be eating with Casey Henson. He's one of the legends here locally. He's done a lot of solo challenges, so me and him have met up today to take on this extreme 10-pound pizza challenge. So let's go inside and get it done. Adam Bennett here. Today I'm here with Casey. We're going to be taking on the Pizza Xtreme 30-inch, 10-pound pizza challenge. So we went with 4 toppings here today. We got green pepper, mushroom, pepperoni, and ham. So we're going to let it cool off, and then we're going to see how fast we can get this challenge done. So we're about to get started here. Go ahead and start the timer, and let's get going. My fault, sorry. Are we done when we finish chewing, or are we done now? I'm trying out there. Hey, my talking skill.
Yay, now you just gotta wait 5 minutes after
Sounds
you
good.
swallow.
I'm done.
Still chipmunking.
Oh, that was good.
All right, so finish pizza challenge here at Pizza Xtreme.
14 minutes, not bad, not bad.
14 minutes.
Yeah.
I stopped my timer a little bit early. It's about 13 minutes, 30 seconds on my timer. Overall, pizza was excellent. We beat our time. Me and Casey here destroyed that challenge. Just finished the challenge here at Pizza Xtreme. Me and Casey did that pizza challenge in about 13 minutes and 30 seconds. Make sure to give this video a like, thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more challenges coming in the future.